What is an international shore connection? An international shore connection is a connecting device used to link a ship's firefighting system to a shore-based firefighting system or another ship in the event of a lack of firefighting pump power or complete fire pump failure. The primary function of the international shore connection is to provide an additional source of water for the ship's firefighting system in case of a fire on board. This connection allows the ship to obtain a larger volume of water for firefighting. The flange of this connecting device is usually located in a convenient and accessible location as specified in the ship's fire plan so that it can be easily accessed and used in an emergency situation. What does SOLAS say about the international shore connection? We can check it in SOLAS, Chapter 2, Regulation 10, regarding international shore connection. Ships of 500 gross tonnage and upwards shall be provided with at least one international shore connection complying with the Fire Safety Systems Code. But what does it mean complying with the Fire Safety Systems Code? Let's check it. We will open our Fire Safety Systems Code and read it. Chapter 2, International Shore Connections. This chapter details the specifications for international shore connections. Standard dimensions. Outside diameter, 178 mm. Inside diameter, 64 mm. Bolt circle diameter, 132 mm. Slots in flange, 4 holes 19 mm in diameter spaced equidistantly on a bolt circle of the above diameter slotted to the flange periphery. Flange thickness, 14.5 mm minimum. Bolts and nuts, 4 each of 16 mm diameter, 50 mm in length. Materials and accessories. International shore connections shall be of steel or other equivalent material and shall be designed for 1 Newton per square millimeter services. The flange shall have a flat face on one side and on the other side it shall be permanently attached to a coupling that will fit the ship's hydrant and hose. The connection shall be kept aboard the ship together with a gasket of any materials suitable for 1 Newton per square millimeter services, together with 4 bolts of 16 mm diameter and 50 mm in length, for 16 mm nuts, and 8 washers. Quarterly testing and inspections, Circular IMO, MSC 1432. As per IMO Circular, MSC.1432, revised guidelines for the maintenance and inspection of fire protection systems and appliances, international shore connections should be inspected quarterly. We need to verify that international shore connections is in serviceable condition. What does this inspection involve? Checking the presence of the international shore connection at the location specified in the ship's fire plan. Checking the presence and condition of the spanner. Checking the presence and condition of the gasket rubber. Checking the presence and quantity of bolts and 8 washers. I hope this video helped you understand what international shore connection is. Thank you for watching.